It's me, your personal librarian, Georato. I'm reporting today from somewhere off the coast of Alaska, out in the Gulf of Alaska, aboard the cruise ship Carnival Splendor. And today I'm going to take you on a little tour of the ship's library. Every ship has a library for crew and passengers to partake of, and that's where we're going to go today. So, I'll meet you downstairs, and we'll turn some pages. Okay, so here we are at the Alexandria Library. Every library, or every ship kind of has a theme, and Alexandria, of course, is the famous library in Egypt, the ancient library in Egypt. And every ship has a library. I'm assuming that the books come from crew and guests, books that they've left behind or were finished with. So they just bring them in here. Oh, The Princess Bride. I knew that movie was based on the book, but I'd never actually seen the book before. See, you never know what you're going to find in a library. There's all kinds of books here. Political, novels. All kinds of stuff. Got down here. So I just wanted to give you a quick look at a ship's library. Of course, there's artwork. I'm presuming this is supposed to be representative of ancient Egypt, considering the room is called the Alexandria Library. Places to sit. And there's even games. Most libraries have games, too, in addition to books. Sometimes there's other events going on in here. Come and take a look. So, there you have it. The Alexandria Library on the Carnival Splendor. So, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and all the other YouTubey things. And please be sure to check out this link right here for all our merch. Thanks again for watching, and please keep on reading.